This is the best job to work as a university student. Now, a lot of people when they're at university will work jobs such as working in a bar or a pub, working in a warehouse, which, ooh, isn't that great, and also do things like working in retail. However, these are not the best jobs to work as a university student. The best job to work as a university student is actually as a brand ambassador. This can be for your university itself, for your university students union, or for third-party brands such as JP Morgan, Amazon Prime Student, or even Adobe. The reason I recommend being a brand ambassador is because not only is the work itself pretty simple, but often you'll find that they'll be paying you the national living wage rather than minimum wage. For example, I myself, when I was at the University of Nottingham, was a brand ambassador for the University of Nottingham and the University of Nottingham Students Union, and then when I was at the University of Manchester, I was a brand ambassador for Amazon Prime Student. Finding these jobs is really simple, and in fact, competition for these jobs doesn't tend to be high because not a lot of people know about them. Finding these jobs is very simple for your university or your university students union. All you have to usually do is go into their website or on their Instagram, where towards the start of the academic year they'll be advertising for brand ambassador roles. When it comes to brands such as Amazon or JP Morgan or other big brands, finding these roles is also simple. However, it takes a bit more work than that. When I was a brand ambassador for Amazon Prime Student, I worked for an agency called Seed Marketing Agency. It will be on screen right now. And they're also doing a recruitment campaign for Adobe right now, I believe. And they also do a few other brands. When it comes to brands such as JP Morgan and other big financial brands, I would recommend going onto a website called On Campus Promotions, which again will be on screen right now. If you've been at university long enough, you might have also seen that brands such as Red Bull are present on campus. Someone is always driving around that Mini Cooper with a massive Red Bull can at the back. They also do their own brand ambassador recruitment campaign, which you can find on their website. These jobs tend to be very flexible. They tend to be 0 hours, which can be a good thing or a bad thing depending on your needs. However, I would say that this is much better than, for example, working in a warehouse in the late hours under strenuous conditions that will make you want to quit as soon as you start working. You don't need to be a social media influencer for these jobs. However, for some of them, they may require you to, for example, post something on your Instagram here and there. If you want to see more videos on jobs to work whilst you're at university, then make sure to let me know in the comments, and make sure to leave a like, follow me, and share for more.